The Rolling Stones, one of the most iconic rock bands in the world. Formation of the Rolling Stones. In 1962, Bryan Jones formed the Rolling Stones in London, England. Early members included Mick Jagger, Keith Richards, Bill Wyman, Charlie Watts, and Ian Stewart. Early career narrator. The band started playing at small clubs in London, playing blues and rock music. They soon gained attention with songs like Come On. Rising popularity. In the mid 1960s, the Rolling Stones became one of the biggest bands in the world, with hits like I Can't Get Enough Satisfaction, Paint It Black, and Jumpin' Jack Flash. Changes and challenges. The band experienced lineup changes, including Bryan Jones leaving in 1969. He was replaced by Mick Taylor, then Ronnie Wood in 1975. Golden Era and Tours. The Rolling Stones continue to release successful albums and do big tours like Some Girls and the Still with Wheels Tour. Present day. Now the Rolling Stones are still active with Mick Jagger, Keith Richards, Ronnie Wood, and after Charlie Watts passed away in 2021, Steve Jordan on drums. Closing. With a career of over 60 years, the Rolling Stones remain a symbol of rock and roll. Their music continues to live on, inspiring new generation.